that one is the second lesson of standard 1. So first all of you have to know that how many parts of our body have. Do you know? I think you don't know. So let's start with the clown. Look at the board. See here one clown is there, but without any eyes, without any eyebrows, any mouth, any ears. So let's draw it first. First, this one is a, suppose, eye. These two are the eyes. Okay? See here. This one. All of you know that different small eyelashes also are there in our eyes. So these two are the eyes. Now let's draw the eyebrows. Eyebrows are like this, isn't it? All of you, please check with your own also. These two are our eyes, and these two are the eyebrows. Next, I will draw the nose. This one is your nose. Which one is your nose? This one? Is it? Touch once. And this one is the mouth. This one like this. This one is mouth. All of you. This one. Two lips. That one is consisting of two lips. Is it? Okay. Next, I would like to draw the ears. All of you also have the ears. These two are our ears. So, basically, clowns are called the clowns. Clowns means that one is a one kind of funny character which one is used to make fun with us. If you will go in any kind of occasions or any festivals, on that time they used to make us fun. So this is a one example of clown. Now I want to tell you about the different body parts of our body. Have a look on this picture. This is a picture of a child just like you. Now see here, this portion is called the head. This portion is called the head, and see here, the front portion is also called the face. That means this portion, the skinny portion, that portion is called the face. The head is containing different parts also. Head, here these are the hairs. The black color, these are the hairs. And the face, see here the face is there. Face, this portion is called the cheek. This is the cheek. All of you touch your cheek. This one is the cheek. Next, the lip. See here the lip, that means the mouth. Which one is a part of a mouth? The lips. Two lips are there. Which one is in the upper portion? That one is called the upper lip, and the lower lip. These two are our lips. See here, this is a diagram of lips. Next, this mouth. All of you are able to see the mouth. See here, and that portion, this portion. This portion is called the forehead. See here, the forehead. Next, I will talk about the eyes. Eyes means these two. Already I have drawn here two eyes. I have told you which one is the eye. So here also eyes. These two are our eyes. So the upper portion, that means the upper portion of the eyes are called the forehead. Next, the forehead. After forehead, you can see the chin also. Chin. This portion below these lips. Below the lips, this portion is called the chin, and the head is connected with our body, remaining body, with the help of neck. This one is the neck. See here, this portion, this This portion is the neck. Next, see here, this is the shoulder. This portion is, all of you please touch your, that which body parts I am talking about. All of you touch your body parts also. This one is our shoulder. This portion is called the shoulder. Next, this one is the chest. This front portion is called the chest. Next, after chest, this one is called the belly. See here, this portion is called the belly. Next, this portion is the waist. This portion, waist. This upper body part is connected to our lower body part with the help of waist. Next, I will talk about the hand. See here, the hand. This one hand, our hand or arm. All of you please fill. This one hand. These two are our hands. Next, the hand, it is also consisting of different parts. See here, these are the fingers. This one is the arm and this one is elbow. That means this junction point, this one is called the elbow. This is our hand. Hand is consisting of two parts. See here, this one is the upper hand and this one is the lower hand, and the hand is also containing the fingers. See here, the fingers, 5 fingers here. How many fingers? All of you count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 fingers. This hand also 5 fingers. So total we have 10 fingers in our hand. Next, see here, our upper hand and the lower hand. These two are joined with the help of elbow. This one is our elbow. Next, see here, these are our legs. Legs are also divided into 2 parts. The upper leg and the lower leg. This one is the feet. These two are the feet. Next, the front portion of the feet is called the toe. Our leg is also containing the feet. See here, the front portion of the feet is called the toes, and the back portion, this portion is called the heel. So, and one more thing is also there, just like our hands, our legs are also containing here 5 fingers, here also 5 fingers. So total here also 10 fingers are there. See here, so here head is given separately. This is our head. This is our eye. See here, one eye only has given. These two are our eyes. See here, this one is the ear. This one here, I have drawn already the ear of the clown. So on that time, definitely all of you have observed. See, this one is ear. This one is the nose. Next, this one is the lips. Those are the lips. This one upper lip, this one is lower lip. See here, inside our mouth, teeth also there. Teeth are the white part. All of you are able to know that these are the teeth. With the help of our teeth, we are able to eat anything. We are able to cut any food. Next, inside our mouth, one more part is there. That one is called the tongue. With the help of our tongue, we are able to get different taste of the food. See here, the palm. That means in our hand, the front side is called as palm. Next, see here, different fingers are there. This finger, that one is called the thumb finger. This one is called the index finger or forefinger. This one is called the middle finger. This one is called the ring finger, and this one is called the small finger. So, we have total 5 fingers in our one hand. Next, our hand, this that means our palm. See here, this one palm and the hand, these two, they are joined with the help of wrist. That means where we are wearing our watch, that one is called the wrist. See here, with the help of wrist we are able to move our palm very easily. Next, see here, this one is arm. That means the upper hand is called the arm, and I have already told you that the arm, that means the upper hand and the lower hand, both of they are connected with the help of elbow. Connected means they are joined together. Next, see here, this one is the abdomen. This portion is called the abdomen, and these two are the foot. This one and this one. So these are about all the body parts